8,000 kilometers surface to surface. If we align the planets through their polar axis, they add up to a total distance of 364,799 kilometers. Sunsets on Mars would appear blue to human eyes. Saturn's moon Titan is the only known place in our solar system other than Earth that has a liquid cycle. It is the sole other place in the solar system known to have an Earth-like cycle of liquids raining from clouds, flowing across its surface, filling lakes and seas, and evaporating back into the sky, akin to Earth's water cycle. Neptune is the only planet in our solar system not visible to our naked eye, and the first predicted by mathematics before its discovery. Unless disturbed, the footprints on the moon will remain there for millions of years. Jupiter's moon Io is the most volcanically active body in the solar system. You can grow up to 5 centimeters in space. About 13,630 satellites were placed into Earth orbit. There is about 8,850 of those satellites still in space, while about 6,700 is still operational. Pluto has mountains. There are 5 dwarf planets in our solar system: Pluto, Ceres, Makemake, Haumea, and Eris. Neptune's winds can reach speeds of more than 1,200 miles per hour, which is 2,000 kilometers per hour. Space, aka Kármán line, is just 100 kilometers, or 62 miles away. The Sun is predicted to be a little less than half through its lifespan. The Sun will eventually run out of energy, like all stars do. When it starts to die, the Sun will expand into a red giant star, becoming so large that it will engulf Mercury and Venus, and possibly Earth as well. The biggest storm in our solar system, the Great Red Spot, is shrinking. Saturn's rings are made up of a lot of small ice chunks and rocks varying in size from dust size to the size of mountains. Uranus's moon Miranda has the weirdest surface features seen on a moon. It has giant fold canyons, as much as 12 times as deep as the Grand Canyon, terraced layers and surfaces that appear very old, and others that look much younger. There is a 6-sided jet stream of winds surrounding a huge storm and making up a hexagon shape at Saturn's north pole. Venus is the brightest object in Earth's night sky after the moon. If you weigh 40 kilograms or 88 pounds here on Earth, you'd weigh 94 kilograms, aka 207 pounds on Jupiter. The Sun's outer atmosphere, the corona, is hotter than the Sun's surface, photosphere. The Sun's core reaches 15 million degrees Celsius. The photosphere reaches only 5,500 degrees Celsius, while the corona can reach up 130 million space debris objects. 36,500 space debris objects are greater than 10 centimeters. 1 million space debris objects vary from 1 centimeter to 10 centimeters. 130 million space debris objects vary from 1 millimeter to 1 centimeter. There is more than 10,100 tons of space objects in Earth's orbit. Mars has the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons. It's 3 times taller than Earth's Mount Everest, with a base the size of the state of New Mexico. Mars's canyon is 7 times larger than Earth's Grand Canyon. Every planet in our solar system has at least a tiny bit of water in different forms. Spacecraft visited every planet in our solar system. Mars' color is due to the iron-rich dust covering the surface. Temperatures on Uranus can get as low as minus 224.2 degrees Celsius. Uranus spins sideways. It rotates at nearly 90-degree angle from the plane of its orbit. Mercury is the smallest and the closest planet to the Sun in our solar system, with a radius of 1,516 miles, which is 2,440 kilometers. Mercury is a little more than 1/3 the width of Earth. From an average distance of 36 million miles, which is 58 million kilometers, Mercury is 0.4 astronomical units away from the Sun. 1 day on Mercury is about 59 Earth days, and Mercury's 1 year equals Earth's 88 days. The average distance between the Sun and Pluto is 5,913,520,000 kilometers. Saturn's moon, Iapetus, is called yin and yang of Saturn because of its hemisphere. The leading hemisphere has a reflectivity, or albedo, as dark as coal. Albedo 0.03 to 0.05 with a slight reddish tinge, and its trailing hemisphere is much brighter at 0.5 to 0.6. Venus has the hottest surface in our solar system. The Sun is the largest object in our solar system. To fill the Sun's volume, you would need 1.3 million Earths. The Sun makes up 99.8% of our solar system's mass. There are rocks from Mars here on Earth. Venus's clouds whipped around the planet by winds measured as high as 224 miles per hour, which is 360 kilometers per hour. Our solar system is part of the Milky Way galaxy. Our moon has no atmosphere. The Sun is about 93 million miles, which is 150 million kilometers from Earth. The average temperature on Mars is minus 66 degrees Celsius, which is minus 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Our solar system has 8 planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars fall under the category of terrestrial planets. Jupiter and Saturn are gas giants, and Uranus and Neptune are the ice giants. Okay, so that was it. Those were all the facts. There were 50 in total. This video will be a little shorter than I originally wanted. I hope you don't mind. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time in my next video. Perhaps. Okay. Goodbye. 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 And good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Thank you to Eric, Chad, and Saintger, and other lovely patrons and members for their support. Here are some other videos you might like.